The FIRSTPASS Mini Suture Passer was designed for easy access into tight joint spaces. FIRSTPASS Mini Suture Passer is revered for its reliability with a single-use design. And its versatility through its ability to pass not only number 2 suture, but ultra tape. And the accessibility FIRSTPASS Mini allows through its uniquely designed thinner shaft and short, narrow jaws, which come in 3 versions: left curved, straight, and right curved. Using the open ring curette, clear away any remaining tissue and cartilage at the site where the meniscus will be fixated. The curved tip aimers enable easier access to the meniscal root by curving around the tibial eminence within the tight joint space. Fixate the tip aimer where the tibial tunnel will be placed. And align the bullet externally on the tibia just medial to the tibial tuberosity. Using a 2.4 mm guide wire, drill up through the bullet until the guide wire breaks through the surface of the tibial plateau. Drill over the guide wire using a cannulated 4.5 mm drill until the 4.5 mm drill breaks through the surface of the tibial plateau. Remove the 2.4 mm guide wire and leave the 4.5 mm drill in place. First, choose whichever FIRSTPASS Mini Suture Passer offers the best access to the repair site: straight, right curved, or left curved. Ultra tape or number 2 suture is easily loaded into the bottom jaw of the FIRSTPASS Mini Suture Passer. By simply squeezing the hand trigger, the preloaded needle will pass suture through the tissue into the self-captured jaws. A suture retriever and monofilament may be used to shuttle the sutures down the tunnel. To complete the repair, tie the sutures over an endo button.